Hi everyone, it's Savannah, and I'm so excited, still sick, but I'm so excited. So today just couldn't get any better. Well, I guess I shouldn't say that because everything can always be better. Everything is just so joyful, but this is a very special moment. So not only did I reach 100 subscribers today, but I also received my first Happy Mail. And you can see here, I think you can see, I have it covered up so that, let me see if I can zoom in. I want to make sure I stay in frame though. Australia Post. Miss Kristy. Miss Kristy from So Bits Crispy, who I will link below, has sent me Happy Mail. I'm so excited. So I met Kristy through Instagram, and she has been such a doll. She has been helping me, giving me advice and information on YouTube and hashtags and all kinds of stuff. And so she has just been such a little doll. I met her through Instagram, and we were chatting away on Instagram. So excited. So I started to open this, but then I'm like, no, I got so excited that I wanted to go ahead and do it on camera so that she can see and hear all the excitement in my voice. So I was very delicate in opening this because I wanted to preserve the envelope, and I just have the addresses covered up here. So I've never known anyone from Australia or received anything from Australia, so that's even very special. So let me go ahead and pull this out. Oh my goodness. Oh, she sent more things than just that. Oh my goodness, I can't even believe this. So I'm new into slow stitching and I'm loving it. And that's how I found her. Oh, don't even know where to begin. Don't even know where to begin. Oh, look at this pretty bag. Puppy dogs. My babies are mad at each other. Well, I've been gone all day watching my goddaughter. And so I just got home. But I wanted to do this and look through the stuff. So they're upset, like, Mom, where are you? Okay, let's take a look here. Oh, look at this vintage paper. I think this is vintage wallpaper. Oh my goodness. I've never had vintage wallpaper before. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. Look at how beautiful. Oh, Kristy. Oh my goodness. I could cry. I'm so emotional about this. This is so sweet. That is so beautiful. Oh, it is so beautiful. Oh, wow, Kristy. I don't know what to say. Oh my gosh, I'm at a loss. That is so precious and beautiful. Oh, Kristy, you are the sweetest little thing. Not only has she been helping me and then to send me this stuff. Oh my goodness. This is why I wanted to do YouTube and just be a part of this community, because there's such wonderful women out there and I've been shown so much love. I can't even believe it. Aw, dear Savannah, wishing you a belated birthday from Kristy. Oh, how sweet. How sweet. Oh my goodness. Oh, I cannot. Oh, this is such a treasure. I hope I don't hoard it. Well, I know I won't hoard it. I will use it on something very special. Oh my goodness. Look at this. look at this. Look at that darling button. Oh, how cute is that button? Oh, so pretty. Oh, a stamp that says Australia. Oh my gosh, with the little postmarks. I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, and look at these pretty birds. Look at this. How darling are they? I love the pastels. She asked. We actually talked about that. Oh my. Look at this. I don't know, Kristy, did you make this? That is so pretty. I know you crochet. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. Look at this pretty. Let's see some of this lighter stuff I'll put here. Oh, it looks like little cathedral windows. Oh, that is so pretty. I can't even believe this. I just can't even believe this. Oh, look at this lace. Are those precious little hearts on there? Oh, how pretty is that? Oh my, oh my. All this, oh, look at that. That's just darling. That is just, oh, Kristy, I can't believe you sent me all this stuff. Oh, oh my goodness. I'm going to be linking her channel below and her Instagram. She is so sweet. She does beautiful work. Oh my goodness. Bows. Oh my goodness. Oh, my favorite thing, bows. Oh, I've never seen anything like that. What a treasure. What an absolute treasure. Oh my goodness. And then look at that pretty. I forget what this is called when it's embroidered in that particular fashion. Oh, that is so, so pretty. I love it. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Kristy, this is so sweet. This is, oh, I'm telling you, my birthday, if you've watched any of my things where I've talked about my birthday, it's the birthday that never ends, and I've had the best birthday ever in my life. Look at that. Oh, it's a little pocket. Oh, how pretty is that? Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Oh, that is darling with little polka dots on. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty and so cute and so sweet. Wow. Wow, am I going to have so much fun with this stuff. Oh, a Suffolk puff. Oh, look. Oh, that's so cute. Put on the background there. Unbelievable. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's Australian fabric. Oh, it is so pretty. I love these colors. Ayers Rock. I don't know what that is. The Chan. Those must be pretty big things. Oh, here's another piece. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at these things. River Tours, Trans-Australian Railway. There and back. Oh, look at these little, oh, koala bear. Oh my gosh, how pretty is this stuff? These colors are beautiful. Oh, look at this fabric. Oh, this is, I think, the fabric that this was made out of. So pretty. I love polka dots. I love all those colors. Oh my goodness. This is just so yummy. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Some more of this Australian fabric. Oh, look at that stamp. So pretty. Oh, and look at this. This is so beautiful. So, excuse me. So pretty. Unbelievable. Oh my gosh, I love that so much. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh, Kristy, you have outdone yourself. I am just so overwhelmed by this. This stuff is just so beautiful. I just, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Ugh, just absolutely darling. I just thank you so much. Kristy, you have been such a sweetheart, and to send me all of this beautiful stuff, I'm just so overwhelmed. I'm just overwhelmed with joy and gratitude. Please check out her channel, you guys. She is just darling. She does beautiful stuff. Just so positive. Yeah, she's just a joy to watch and be around, or to, watch her videos and even chat with and everything. This is so much. I just can't even get over this. This is just so amazing. So beautiful. So beautiful. I thank you so much, Kristy. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and sign off and just look at these beautiful things that you sent me. I just can't get enough of it. Thank you so much. So until next time, love always, Savannah.